Let's get at it. First waterfall. Starting to like this place. Waterfall number 2. How awesome is that? Well, could have asked for better weather, but hey man, this is awesome. This is what it's all about. We came from down there up and over this ridge and all the way over here. Well, there it is. That's Sam's Knob. So the goal is we're gonna go on top of that. I think the trail goes down. It's gonna come around and come up. But that's our goal. That should be super cool. Let's do it. I guess this counts as waterfall number 3. Awesome. Really awesome. And I think the rain's coming. Awesome. Let's get it. Found a gorgeous campsite over here. We're still at the base of Sam's Knob. Sam's Knob's right up there. The rain's coming in pretty good, but this is kind of sheltered in here. These squat pines. This, I'm not quite ready to call it, but this would be a super cool campsite. Alright, we made it back down to the Black Balsam Knob Junction. I'm about ready to get settled in. So we're gonna get back down here to that campsite we found. I think we're gonna stick with that for tonight. That's too cool a campsite. I want to stay in it. It was super nice. So we'll check out here and check in when we get there. See ya. Well, boys and girls, we made it, and it is cold. We got down to the bottom, back to that campsite we found earlier. Got set up and changed. Wet clothes into some dry ones. Got most of my wet stuff hanging up here, drying out. But it's cold, cold, cold. So we're gonna head out, warm up for a little bit, and then probably eat some dinner here in a little while. I don't want to go back out there, but it's not really raining too bad anymore. It's just falling off the trees, so it shouldn't be too bad to get out. Everything's too wet for a fire, but probably get out there, eat some dinner, and hang out for a little bit before we hunker down for the night. So, see ya. Good morning. It was cold, cold last night. It's a little after 10. Just had some oatmeal and some coffee, and we're gonna get packed up and get back on the trail, because I've got to get warmed up. Be just right. I see it. I see it. We made it. All right. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you next time. Peace. There's still ice in my cup. That's awesome.